What's the meaning of autopsy? Autopsy. Autopsy.
Autopsy. Autopsy. An autopsy is a medical examination of a dead body to determine the cause of death. Typically performed by a specialist called a pathologist, it involves a thorough inspection of the body's organs, tissues and fluids, as well as a review of the deceased person's medical history. The results of an autopsy can vary depending on the circumstances, but they often include information about the cause and manner of death, any injuries or illnesses discovered during the examination, and potentially important data for biological research. Overall, autopsies are an important tool for understanding and investigating death in a range of settings.